What is up, YouTube? It is I, Clutch Marles. Everybody keeps flipping out about this Toyota Corolla virus or whatever's going around. Everybody's buying toilet paper, hand sanitizer. Walmart's running out. So I thought I'll show you guys how to make hand sanitizer, because that might be pretty important, you know. I'm going to show you guys how to beat this Corolla virus. Take some Mountain Dew. You just pour it right in there. Dawn dish soap. You want to get this because it's 50% less scrubbing, cleans grease, 3 times more power. I'm going to put a good amount in there. Then you get butane, some lighter fluid. I've taken the cap off. You put it in there, upside down, push down. You start to get bubbles. You want to make sure you get a lot of bubbles in here. Now, you stick your hand in. You pull the bubbles out. You burned away the fucking Corolla virus. This is guaranteed to kill 100% of bacteria. Not the 99.9 that Listerine or whatever does. I'm killing 100%. I'm burning the devil out of it. That's all it takes, people. Mountain Dew, some dish soap, and then lighter fluid. All day long. Fuck the Corolla virus. And guess what? My next video, everybody's running out of toilet paper. I'm going to show you guys how to deal with running out of toilet paper on my next video. So hit subscribe. Y'all have a nice day.